How to find your drafts in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. Then open up TikTok on your device. Now wait for some time. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now on this page on the first option, simply tap on the arrow down button. Now select latest. Then tap on drafts. Now if you want to delete the draft, tap on select. Then select a draft and tap on delete. Again tap on delete. If you want to edit the draft and post the video, simply open up the draft. Now if you want to edit the draft, simply tap on this icon. Now apply the edits, then tap on next at the top right corner. Then tap on post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.